Okay, so here is a toe touch with the sky reach, okay? Now, sky reach is just this like amazing extension and receiving posture. The key is you really want to be able to pull this up and in as much as you can and squeeze your bum here. If not, if you're a little bit your lower back right here, L, where everyone gets the strain, right? In those, you want to support with this and this. Maybe you don't go too much to start with, but just work on maybe straighter, but still activated here. This is a breath in. And then as I breathe out, I'm sliding my hands down and starting to breathe out. And getting to my bottom on a breath out. If you're not used to deeper breathing and you stop, it's okay. Like breathe in, continue down with a breath out. Now at the bottom position, I'm in my V footing. In my bottom position, I'm keeping my thighs squeezed, so my back of my knees pushing to the wall. Here, maybe you don't go down as far, and that's fine, but breath out. You'll feel your abs suck into your spine. Breathe in. Unroll, start to squeeze about this point. Squeeze, 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 reach. And then right back down. Here. Sit back to your heels here. You should be able to lift that at the bottom if you wanted to. Breath out, abs working hard. Breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in, and then you're here. So toe touch to sky touch. If you can match it with the breathing, super powerful exercise. It's like a sun salutation and bringing that sun and giving it to the earth. So amazing exercise, rock and roll. Just be very aware of keeping here and here. If not, you'll have a sore back.